Chemtrol PVC Schedule 80 fittings are used in industrial thermoplastic pressure piping systems. This video demonstrates the solvent welding procedure for installing Chemtrol PVC Schedule 80 fittings. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local codes. To solvent weld Chemtrol PVC Schedule 80 fittings, you will need a cutting tool, non-synthetic rags, a deburring tool, cement and primer applicators, purple primer, and PVC solvent cement rated for Schedule 80. For Schedule 80 PVC, use heavy-duty industrial-grade PVC solvent cement for Schedule 80 pipe through 6 inches. Purple primer is used with PVC pipe and fittings. In industrial applications, purple primer is recommended for Schedule 80 solvent weld joints. Prior to solvent welding, remove fittings from cartons and expose them for at least 1 hour to the same temperature conditions as the pipe to ensure components are thermally balanced before joining. Cut the plastic pipe square using a wheel cutter or fine-tooth blade and a guide. Remove all burrs, chips, and debris from the inside and outside of the pipe before joining. Bevel the pipe end to ease socketing and reduce the chance of wiping cement from the fitting during assembly. Check the dry fit. Insert pipe with light pressure. Pipe should go no further than 1/3 to 3/4 of the socket depth. Apply purple primer to the outside of the pipe, slightly beyond the depth of the fitting socket. Apply primer to the fitting socket surface. Using the proper applicator, apply a full, even layer of PVC solvent cement to the outside of the pipe for a distance slightly greater than the depth of the fitting socket. Coat the fitting socket with a medium layer, avoiding puddling. Apply a second full, even layer of cement on the pipe outside diameter. Immediately insert the pipe fully into the fitting socket and rotate 1/4 turn to ensure a complete and even distribution of the cement. Hold the joint together for 10 to 15 seconds to help prevent the pipe from backing out of the fitting. Before the joint sets, wipe away any excess cement from the outside of the fitting and pipe. Inspect the joint. A proper joint will normally show a continuous bead around the entire fitting. The Chemtrol PVC Schedule 80 fitting is now properly installed. Do not take shortcuts. Always follow installation instructions completely.